So today in CSS we are going to study about selectors. So in CSS selectors are of three types: Universal Selector, ID Selector and Class Selector. So first of all we'll see Universal Selector. This is my file. So Universal Selector is used when we want to apply same type of formatting to all the elements of the page. So this is my at code, and within body section I'm giving h1 tag, and here I'm writing Universal Selector. Next I'm giving one paragraph tag. So this is my select.html page. I'm creating one more file and I'm giving it name select.css, and in this file, okay, Universal Selector is given by asterisk sign, and then we have to start our curly braces. Within these curly braces we have to apply all the formatting which we want to apply on that page. So I'm giving here color of my text should be red, then background color should be aqua, and text align, I want it to be in text, should be in center. And here in select.html, as we have taken external CSS, so we have to link that with our select.html. For that we have to give link rel equals to, within double quotes, style sheet, and here we have to give the name of file, and name of the file is select.css. Save it and click on go live. So whatever formatting we have given in select.css is applied on this page. If we want that our h1 element should be different, like I want its color should be blue, then I can apply it here only. Style equals to, within double quotes, color, I'm giving it blue. So color of h1 element will be blue. That is Universal Selector, which I have written here, will text of this this text color will be blue. So this was our Universal Selector.